In this video, we are going to discuss on how to buy hosting from Hostinger and plus an amazing discount code which can save you the most. So what you have to do, you have to click on the link in the description, which is like this. Once you click on that link, move over ahead and select the option of hosting. In hosting, you can see web hosting, website builder, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, hosting for professionals. You can offer a web hosting or you can even opt for WordPress hosting. Both of the plans are equally good. Let's say you're going with the WordPress hosting, you can see their plans. Either of the plan is good, but in case if you plan to host other websites apart from WordPress, I recommend you to offer the normal web hosting, because in that you can host WordPress as well as other websites as well. Now they offer three plans: single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting, and you can see that you're getting a 3 months free plus 1 TB cloud storage. So what you have to do, you have to click on the link in the description, and then select the option of web hosting and then select the add to cart over here. So the process of buying hosting from Hostinger is very easy. Now once you are adding the add to cart option, you can see that they offer a 30 days money back guarantee, malware scanner, cloud protected name servers, weekly backups, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and 24/7 support. So let's say you're going with a 48 months plan, because that plan save you 3 months additional. Plus I'm going to tell you the coupon code which can give you further discount. You can offer 24 months, 12 months or 1 month plan as well, but I personally recommend you to offer the 48 months plan, and then move over here and select the option of have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. Select the apply button. You can see that the price has got a further reduction, and what you have to do is, in case if you do not have your account created yet, you can log in from your Facebook or Google or create your new account from writing your email ID over here, and then select your payment method. Hostinger offers credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate, so ample of payment options to choose. So once you finalize which payment method you are going to offer, then select over here, write your name card over here and select the submit secure button. So buying hosting from Hostinger is very easy. Make sure to click on the link in the description to get this amazing code, amazing discount. Also the coupon code is mentioned in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.